Hello viewers, here is a Marvin Premier Screen VN. This is model number 239, the W. Motor type the 2. I already have one of these, or one that's very similar to it. It was one of the very first vintage VNs I had in my collection. I remember I got it at a tag sale with my grandfather and probably paid like $2 for it. This was likely mid to late 2000s, somewhere in that range. And the other one I have is pretty beat up. It was well used when I got it. I used it for years. And this one I paid less than $10 for it, but this one's in amazing condition. The guard is still shiny, the motor is clean, the paint is all there. This is a beautiful instance of this fan. Really immaculate. The back of the blades are still shiny. I think the front would have been shiny as well when it was new. Of course it no longer is, but that's nothing some polish can't take care of. Really, this thing is absolutely immaculate. The cord is, I believe, the original cord, and unlike the one that I have, which is missing the switch, this one has the switch. It's a single, well, the cord is ridiculously tangled up, but it's a single speed Leviton switch. It is the 250 volts, 6 amps, 120 volts. Oh no, wait, that's not correct. 3 amps, 250, 6 amps, 120. And it is made in USA, I guess. I think the fan is made in USA too, probably. It does say Marvin on the top and bottom. Many fond memories with this fan. I used to use, well, not this particular one, I just got this one, but the other one. I used to put it in the bedroom window and used it all the time. And the bedroom window faced the backyard, and so I always put it in the window when I would go out to cut the grass, because then I could see it from the outside of the house. A lot of good times with this fan going. This cooled hundreds of summer nights in that bedroom, the old bedroom at the other house. I don't expect this to run very well because these were made with very cheap bearings that dry out over time, and this one seems like it's pretty dry as well. But we'll test it anyways. If it doesn't run that good, I'm just going to turn it back off because the bearings can't take much abuse in these at all. Okay, and we'll start it off on the on. Yep, that's pretty much what I expected would happen. Okay, so we can't check it. Well, we did check it. We can't really run it because its bearings are screwed up. Hopefully a couple drops of oil will get it going again. The old one, the original one that I had, it would have to be oiled like every couple of weeks, and it was annoying. But at the time, I didn't know how to properly lubricate the fans. And so I would just put a drop or two down the shaft. I would never split the motor open and wash the shaft off and fill up the wicks and everything. So maybe that's why it was like that. But I've heard other people say that these fans were pretty cheap as far as the bearings go. Interestingly enough, it looks like there's a ton of oil in the rear bearing there. You can see it's wet. Of course, it's not in the right place, I guess, but somebody at some point must have made an attempt to oil this. Must be the front bearing that's off. Anyway, so that's it for this one. The Marvin, it wouldn't be a video without smacking the tripod. The Marvin 239W screen fan. I'll have some more videos of this, of cleaning it up and oil in the motor and so forth.